In the previous video, it was said that we start with the situation, not the system. In this video, we will provide a rationale for that premise, as well as some thoughts on how to structure the description of the situation. The dilemma is that while it is actually the situation that we desire to alter, not the system, it is some aspect of the system that will need to be altered to affect the desired change in the situation. The situation as we perceive it is the result of multiple interactions, though that may not immediately be evident. The situation as we perceive it is that aspects of the interactions that we connect with. While everything may be connected, everything is not relevant. We begin with a situation rather than a system, as it provides a basis for determining what's relevant. Describe the situation the way it is from your perspective, not the way you believe it should be, and provide the reason the situation warrants attention because of its implications. As an example, declining sales warrants attention because if sales continues to decline at the current rate, the company will have to lay off half the workforce. Your perspective may vary from others because they have different experiences, beliefs, values, etc., from which they develop their perspective. If you don't know where you're going, you will most certainly end up there. Before you begin to investigate the situation, it's important to understand your intent. Simply trying to make the situation is insufficient. Focus on what you want to create. Some aspect of the undertaking is likely to require communication to a wider audience. This should be part of the purpose and kept in mind so one knows what they intend to communicate and how. Magic Connections is a small, rapidly growing company due to the market acceptance of its newly announced family of network routers. As its customer base is rapidly growing, the support organization, in an effort to position itself to service customer demand, is continually hiring and training new employees. Actually, the whole company is growing rapidly, and as such, the rest of the organization is also in need of additional resources. And where better to acquire resources that know the company's products and its customers? Support, of course. Because the rest of the company continues to raid support's resources, support is continually struggling to maintain what it considers a desired level of readiness to support its customers. Please continue with Patterns of Behavior, the next video in this series.